Nick, you are on the Law Show. What can we do for you? Nick, are you there?
Regarding a contract that I have, and one of the clauses in the contract refers to arbitration. And the company that I have had the contract with is out of state, and we've been kind of going back and forth as far as some of the terms regarding commission. And my question is, there's another part of the contract that says it's according to the state law that they're incorporated in. And my question is do I have to file for arbitration here in Michigan, or can I file in Michigan, or does it have to be in that particular state where they're incorporated?
Yeah, that's a great question. You'd have to look at the language of the statute. It is common for contracts to have choice of laws provisions, meaning they say something like the laws of the state of Michigan will govern this agreement. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a lawyer that is licensed to practice in the state that the choice of law provision in that contract to review it and advise you accordingly. Because if it's not Michigan, I'm not licensed to practice in any state other than Michigan in federal court, so I can't tell you what the ramifications would be. So let's just say hypothetically the contract says the laws of the state of Illinois will control this agreement or shall control this agreement. Then get an Illinois lawyer to take a look at that, because I can tell you in these current times, alternative dispute resolution, ADR as it's known as, is really popular because it's a lot cheaper than going to court. However, lots of times that arbitration can, help the big, huge company rather than the little employees. So you got to be very careful, because binding arbitration clauses or agreement to arbitrate clauses are becoming increasingly unpopular in contracts, and lots of them have opt-out provisions. And so get someone who's licensed to practice in the state of the choice of law provision of that contract to advise you, okay?
Okay.
And then,
alrighty.
If you want to get a referral, call us Monday at 1-866-66-LAWYER, and we'd be happy to assist you with that process if you need us to refer out a lawyer in another state. Okay, Nick?
Oh, that'd be great. I really appreciate it.
Great. Well, thanks so much for calling the Law Show.